Hello there, and welcome to one more lesson of Portuguese for beginners. Bem-vindo! Let's begin remembering our last session, alright? All about the kitchen, from tools to relevant verbs. Just repeat after me. Cozinha, pequeno almoço, almoço, lanche, jantar, forno, fogão, micro-ondas, caixote do lixo, frigideira, prato, garfo, faca, colher, copo, chávena, doce, picante, salgado, azedo, amargo, sal, cozinhar, cortar, assar, fritar, descascar, ferver, cozer, receita. Okay. Today, we will consolidate some of the previous lessons' information. It has been a lot, so it is wise to take a break on new content and deepen the acquired knowledge and info, okay? So we will praticar e aprofundar. We start with a dialogue on the supermarket, fruits, prices. I am showing the whole conversation, and in a few seconds you'll have to complete it on your own, alright? So let's read it together. I will be black and you'll be red. Olá! Preciso de comprar maçãs. Onde estão? Obrigada. E têm maçãs verdes? Quanto custam? Obrigada. Okay. Are you ready to complete your part now? Here it is. Just pause on here and complete the dialogue. I'll wait. All done? Great. You may go back to the previous slide to check your answers. Okay? For now, let's move to the next exercise. Remember this? Our lovely map? Okay. Are you able to tell me where the cinema is? Onde fica o cinema? Onde fica o cinema? You may pause now if you want and write the answer. Can we look at it now? So, o cinema fica na Praça Central, em frente ao restaurante. Ok? One more. Estou na loja e quero ir à igreja. Quais as indicações? How can I reach the church being at the store right now? Just pause and prepare your answer. I'll wait here. Okay, let's check the solution. Está na Rua de Santana. Vira à esquerda para a Rua do Sol e depois novamente à esquerda para a Rua direita. Siga em frente e terá a igreja do lado direito. Well, you could have chosen a different path, through Avenida dos Combatentes, for example. But the important here is that you have developed a route. Okay? So now a different practice. Some translation work for you, from Portuguese to English, around different topics. Okay? Let's start. Virar à direita, atravessar a rua, limpar a casa de banho, lavar os dentes, cortar a cebola, comprar legumes. If you want, you may pause here and write the answers slowly, and then come back for the solution. I will show it now. Here it is. Virar à direita, turn right. Atravessar a rua, cross the street. Limpar a casa de banho, clean the bathroom. Lavar os dentes, brush the teeth. Cortar a cebola, cut the onion. Comprar legumes, buy vegetables. All good? Okay, one more. This time you have to translate from English to Portuguese. Again, different topics, but person-free. I mean, in the infinitive. You don't have to conjugate the verbs, okay? So I will read it and then you may pause and take your time and come back for the solution. Boil the water. Bake the cake in the oven. Brush the hair. Where is the school? Do not buy plastic bags. Are you there again? So let's check it. Boil the water. Ferver a água. Bake the cake in the oven. Cozer o bolo no forno. Brush the hair. Pentear o cabelo. Where is the school? Onde fica a escola? Do not buy plastic bags. Não comprar sacos de plástico. All right. Wonderful. And don't forget, you may repeat these exercises as many times as you want, okay? And it was all for today. Congratulations! Parabéns! See you on the next one.